Introducing Rise, Remote Instant Sales Enabler. Rise is a fully customizable application that helps you put your business in the fast lane, while your sales staff works from home. Accessible on mobile, desktop, and tablets, Rise is a simple and secure way to drive sales when working remotely. Rise uses the Office 365 stack, such as Teams, SharePoint, Microsoft Dynamics, Bookings app, Power Platforms for business analytics and workflow automation, and Azure Bot Service to deliver a smart and intuitive interface. Rise provides a single platform access to record, track leads' progress, schedule remote meetings, conduct instant meetings, and also manage tasks. In addition to the above, you can also conduct client verification before a meeting. Your client's identity can be authenticated through a one-time passcode process before letting them into the meeting. Through Rise, you can share and co-author forms. The sales agent can also interact with the chatbot to gain access to frequently used forms for your business. These meetings can be recorded for future reference as well. These meeting records are then stored on the enterprise CRM and associated with the customer details for future reference. The client data such as leads, forms, and meeting records can be pushed into the enterprise CRM associated with the Rise application. The solution also offers sales activity tracking and reporting. A sales agent's activities can be tracked through the analytics dashboard. The sales agent can also track daily tasks and instantly report them to the line manager. Rise can also be extended to your business's website, mobile apps, and other client touchpoints. Your customers can also book a meeting with the sales agent by connecting through the booking application that can be configured on a web page. The meeting request can directly reach the sales agent, simplifying the overall engagement process.